Welcome back, everyone. We're going to take a look at vRising today. So vRising is a little bit more to set up. So you've installed Windows GSM, you found your plugin, you installed the server. Now we have to get it up and working. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit config, and we're going to type in this server start parameter. Persistent data path ./save data. We're going to save that. Then we're going to start the server. You're going to start the server and let it build all the way. And then when it's done building, toggle your console on. When it's done building, turn it off. Then you're going to go up to Browse, Server Files. If you don't start your server, a lot of these files won't be here. And the one we need is the Save Data one. So we're going to go to Save Data, and we're going to go to Settings. And you need these two files, the server game settings JSON and the server host setting JSON. They will not be in here. You're going to have to create them. So you can right click and do a new text document. Go to makeyourownserver.com, go to the Windows GSM servers, and go to vRising, and you can copy and paste or download the text document, either one. When you copy and paste, let's take a quick look here. So you'll go to the vRising server, and when you copy and paste, you have to be very careful to get the brackets. Also, I highly recommend Note++ as always. So if you get the brackets, okay, you take your new text document, you right-click it, you edit with Note++, and you paste it, it will put your brackets in here correctly. And now you're just going to go to File, Save As, and make sure it's a JSON file. And then when you do that, you will have this. So the first one, you'll save the JSON, is going to be the server host settings. And the second one you'll save will be the server game settings. Once you have both of those saved, then we're going to edit them. So on the server host settings, you'll need to edit the server name. You'll need to do the password. And also, list on Steam, you need to set that to true. And list on EOS, you need to set that to true. The other items in here are just meet your needs, whatever your needs are. But you must do those. It tells you your ports, 98, 76, 77, and 79. You need to open those up in your router as always. This is step-by-step itemized on the web page. We'll edit the server game settings INI. I don't remember changing anything in here. And then this here is just whatever settings you want. Okay, so now we have all our settings. We've saved. Okay, start our server. Give it a second to get going. Then you can toggle your console. Okay, and you can see everything's loading. And you can actually scroll your console up to see if your settings took or not. Okay, so server name, yes, it took our settings. Every time it updates, it jumps to the bottom, which is a little frustrating. But this did take our settings. Can we see a list on Steam? List on Steam is true, okay. I'm just going to minimize this. If you close the X, it will close your program, your server. Okay, now we're going to check with Steam Server Query Tool. And our server is listed. So let's see if we can connect in the game. I'm not on a LAN. This is two different internet connections. My server's on one connection and the rest of my network is on a different connection. So this is exactly how your friends would connect. Let's see, we're going to play. We're going to do online play, show all servers, and it actually remembers me by default. So there's our server right there. And let's join. So again, this is another server where if you edit config, the server name up here is only for the Windows listing. The server port and query port also do not make any changes. And we are in and we're playing. Okay, my friends, that's all we got. It took me a long time to get that server up and working. There's some steps there that are not well explained anywhere, so hopefully that makes it much easier for you guys to get it up and going. But thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.